to another tailor-made natural video. I got a really good recipe I want to show you guys today. It's going to be a DIY facial using yogurt and a couple of other things that you're going to like. So, okay. So one of the very main ingredients is going to be yogurt in this video. And we're going to be using honey and oatmeal. So I chose these ingredients because yogurt is actually filled with vitamins and minerals, and when you apply it directly on your face, you actually bypass the whole digestive system and the process of distributing it to everywhere that it needs to go, and your skin absorbs it really well, which helps with hydration, tightening pores, and softening the skin. The reason I chose honey is because honey is really good at evening out our skin tone, and it also helps to heal scars. Now, as far as the oatmeal is a really good one for hydrating and soaking up oil, removing dead skin cells. It's a very light exfoliant, and it has a lot of antioxidants, and it's anti-inflammatory, which is a deep pore cleaner. Okay, so let's get started. It's a really simple recipe here. The first step that you want to do is take equal amounts, which I'm going to try to make enough for 2. So I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of oatmeal. Just gonna mix this up for just a little bit, and I'm gonna let this sit for just a minute too, so that the oatmeal can kind of soak into the yogurt. After you've let this sit for 2 minutes, now we're going to add our honey. Now remember, we're doing equal parts, so we're going to do 2 tablespoons of honey. Okay, you guys, and there you have it. Your very own DIY facial mask. If you'd like to see exactly how I use this mask, please check the description below. I'm going to leave a link for a video to do the full tutorial of everything that I'm going to use on my face. And it's a complete DIY skincare routine. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.